Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So happy 8th of December. So we've got 3 advent calendars to open today, and we're going to do it in the same order again. So it will be our Diamond Painting Deutschland one first, and then National Lampoons, and then we've got the fan cells box one to do as well. So let us get into this one and have a look. It's quite a big one today, so let's see what we've got. It feels like a box, so I wonder what we've got. Hope everybody's doing okay and that you're getting your Christmas things all done. We got our deliveries yesterday. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it's only the hoist that's come, not the chair as well. So phew, much as I want hubby to have his new armchair, I am quite pleased that it didn't come, because we don't know we don't know where to put the old one. It would need to be put somewhere else, and there just isn't room at the minute. So yeah, anyway, that was one problem solved. So let's get into this and have a smile and see what was going on now. We've had my friend who was a hairdresser come today and do our hair, so we're all spruced up for Christmas. And we've got Lottie Lou staying with us for the night as well, because my friend is going out and asked would I be able to have her for the night. Yes, of course. We love having Lottie. Oh. I'm going to turn it that way because there's a spoiler on the front. So it's a Christmas project. I'm going to take it out the box without looking at the front, so I can't see what it was. I just saw the little picture in the corner and I thought, oh no, I don't spoil the surprise. Oh, I think I know what this is anyway. Wow. Gosh, these are quite a bit of money as well, so heck. Yeah, it looks like we've got one of the boxes, the Christmas boxes to do. Okay, check there's nothing in there. So we're all crystals on our project, and it's a build it yourself DIY kit look. So we've got the box base, that's the box lid. So we've got the base. Just put the lid out the way because that's the one with the picture on. I've had a couple of these before. Oh, we're diamond painting the edges as well. Okay. Did I? Yeah, I must have done. Yes, I did diamond paint the edges before. I've just forgotten. So we've got all like a flower mandala style pattern all around the edges. So yeah, once it's done, we will just literally click it in place, and these all go around the edge. And then once they're all done, then you just pop your lid on as well. I think, it goes that way because there's a ridge on the lid, look there, that's into there. Okay, so I wonder what we've got. Is it a pattern, or is it a Christmassy picture, or is it just not a Christmassy picture? So let's have a look. Oh dear, don't tell Millie. And as I say, we've got Lottie here at the moment as well, my friend's little shih tzu Lottie. Yeah, I mean, I love it because that cat's expression is just fantastic. That is how Millie looks at me when I put a Christmas hat on her. Yeah, that is not a happy cat. I can quite honestly say that cat is looking daggers, but it does look very cute. So we've got a big fluffy ginger Tom. You do tend, is it just, I don't know whether it's an urban myth, but you do tend to find that ginger cats do tend to be males. Not quite sure why, and I don't know whether that's true. Maybe I ought to look it up. But I know my friend had like a marmalade cat, she called it. But yeah, and he was just really, really funny. They called him Tommy. He was really sweet. But yeah, big fluffy, like tabby, but in the ginger, the orange colour. Marmalade cat. Oh wow, that's going to be fun to do. So it's just the cat and the presents. He's got a lot of presents. He should look a lot happier than that. Maybe they're not his presents. Yeah, that is just, that expression is wonderful. That is just so funny. Look at his green eyes as well, just staring out at you. That is really, really funny. So they're lovely, these boxes. I mean, if you've got, say, a smaller present that would fit into one of these boxes, and that's like your depth. So that's yeah, that will slot into there once it's done. So that's like your depth of your box. Then yeah, it's quite nice as a little treat, so that they've got a present in a present, because the box is something you can keep and bring out year after year. But that's really funny. They're lovely, well made. They're ever so well made, these as well. Just got a little bit chipped on the corner there, but I'll use a pro marker on that. But yeah, I mean, these are usually around about 15-ish pounds, I think. So very, very good value today. But yeah, oh, these are just so good. That picture is just so funny. Look at that cat's expression. If a cat looked at me like that, I'd run, because I just think it's going to come and either do the cat paw thing, or it's just going to come and grab you. Or it might snatch its hat off its head. Maybe he wanted to be Rudolph rather than Santa. You never know what's going through his head. But yeah, these boxes are ever so well made. You know, the edges are finished off nicely. Just a shame that's just obviously caught in the box a little bit. But yeah, and then that is like your ridged edge, so it just stays on, so it doesn't just slide straight off. It's actually sort of fixed in place. So that is excellent. Love that. And these are really, really pretty. So yeah, I was wondering what sort of Christmassy colours would actually be those colours. Apologies for the shadows. It is exceptionally dark and yucky here in the UK today. We have storm. I can't remember what it's called, but anyway, we've got a storm coming over, and up to 90-mile-an-hour winds. So the only thing we've lost so far is, strangely enough, a bird table. Well, a bird feeder. It's one of our bird feeders. It's just blown over in the wind. So the big fat pigeon that comes and visits the garden thinks all his birthdays have come at once, because he doesn't have to sit on the bird feeder now and try and peck it as the things are moving. He's just literally sat on the ground and eating all the bird food off the ground. So yeah, somebody's happy anyway. So yeah, I mean, those colours are absolutely wonderful to match in with the cat and the presents. Very Christmassy and still exceptionally colourful as well. Very nice. Liking this one. So let's have a look at these gems, these crystals. He isn't really my thing, so I will have to gift him. I'll either do it and gift it to somebody. I'm just trying to think if I know anybody at the moment that's got a Ginger Tom. I'll have to have a think. I'm sure I will know somebody somewhere. Right, so how many colours have we got? Goodness me. Okay. All right, where are we? Ah, right, so we're starting off here, and we go up to 15, 16 to 17 different gems and colours. So our two specials are red semispheres and red teardrops there with no facets. And they will be going on the box there. Where do the teardrops go then? Let me have a look. For 16. Oh, they'll be on the bottom. Do you know, I'm looking on the cat thinking, well, I can't see any teardrops. But they're probably on the mandalas, aren't they? On the yes, they're on here. I'm thinking that's a big bag for just maybe using one, but no, they're on the edges. So that's okay. So a few. Ah, dear. Right, so we will start off with our lovely sparkly silver, and our deep dark red, and our Christmas red, and we've got a hot pink, yes, and a lovely amber colour for our Ginger Tom. And then we have a little bit of a lemony colour, and a lovely bright honey gold, and a lime green, and a Christmassy green, and a little bit deeper green, and a jadey green. Oh, and a lovely sea blue. Oh, and another orange there. Look, that's a real orangey colour, bright. And a bright green, and an even brighter orange. So I think our cat is going to be some marvellous colours. So we've got the three oranges there, look, for all the shading and the colours on the cat. And then all the edges will match in as well. Wow. Oh, this is really good value. I am enjoying this advent calendar. I do think that we've got really good value, but good fun as well. It's not necessarily about the value, it's about the fun aspect. And they do seem to have made it so that you get one sort of diamond painting, really good product, and then a product like a pen that possibly isn't quite as exciting as getting something like this, and then you'll get something that's maybe a tool or something, and it seems to go like that. So yeah, I am pleased with how they've thought it all out as well. But this is excellent. Well done, Diamond Painting Deutschland. Right, let me just move this grumpy cat. That's a whole different cat, isn't it? That's like a cream and brown coloured cat. But it is funny. I do think Grumpy Cat is really, really funny. But this is obviously Grumpy Cat's ginger cousin. So we are National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation next, and my friend is actually going out and going to a National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation party. That is a fantastic idea. So they get all the friends round and have popcorn and everything and drinks, and they're all going to sit down and watch the Christmas Vacation together, and that will just be fabulous. What a great way to spend a wet and windy Sunday afternoon. Wonderful idea. And because she's watching it, I must admit, I did say to hubby, I think we might have to watch it now as well. We've not watched it for a while, so yay. Okay, I've put our little figures out already, so I don't have to go through and tell you who they all are, just in case you're sick of me saying. Nobody seemed to really know what that is, so I'm going to plump for its jelly or jam in that one. Huge though compared to the people. Yes. So let us see what we have in day number 8. Okey-doke. What's this? What's this? What's this one? Oh! Oh, wow! Look how fine that is. We've got the Santa and the reindeers, and that features quite heavily in the decorations that Clark has out, and it meets an unfortunate end, but it's happy ending right at the end of the film. Is it just me, or does that Santa look as though it's falling out? Is that his head there and that his feet? Let me see if I can get it to... That's better. I know we've got the focus, sorry, the shadow of the camera on it as well, but I think this Santa's upside down. I think he's hanging out, so this could be after it's met with a little bit of a foot. But that's awesome. But look how fine those reindeer's legs are. That's really, really funny. Really good. So, yeah, that's all part of the film. Be interesting to see what else we get, because there's so many funny bits in the film as to what you can actually get. So, right, and then last but not least, we have our snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? So we are on the 8th of December, day number 8, which is right down in this corner here. Let me make sure that it's in screen. And it opens, oops, oh no, we've opened it up inwards, so it's going to come off. Never mind. Oh, we've got a blue. We've got a blue little packet. Okay, so just another little Christmas decoration. A square little piece of foam, I think it is, in there. But yeah, I mean, as I said, that this one, I'm not disappointed at all with these, because I do think it's just an extra little bit of fun to go with a fantastic box that we've made. I think adding the advent calendar has just made it a little bit more fun, because this is just beautiful anyway. I would have bought this anyway, I'm sure, even if it didn't have the advent calendar in it. So yeah, and the cat's just peeking out the corner saying, excuse me, I'm the main event here, will you please move that snowman off me? So that's your little blue parcel. Doesn't really match in, does it? Shall we put it there? We'll just pop it there. Look, I've been keeping them all on my desk so that we can see what they all are. Hubby said to me last night, can you maybe not put any more decorations out, because I'm starting to feel as though everything's closing in on me. Oh dear, he's never complained before. But yeah, I do have a lot of Christmas stuff out, and as promised, I will be filming it all. I just still got a few tweaks and bits and pieces to do. You know how it is. Christmas decorations, you can never have enough. Well, I can never have enough anyway, but obviously hubby can. Oh Oh dear, right, let's just let Grumpy Cat out a little bit there. Sorry, I shouldn't keep calling it Grumpy Cat. But yeah, I think that's fabulous. What a lovely thing to open. It's really made my day getting that one. I really do like it. I did used to have 3 cats, so I do love all animals and I do love cats. But unfortunately, hubby is allergic to them, so we can't have one now. But I keep thinking maybe I'll try, because it was 30 years ago when we last he went near a cat for any length of time and he was allergic. So I'm just wondering, maybe try and borrow somebody's cat. Yeah, just randomly take one off the street. No, I'm only kidding. Just borrow somebody's cat for an afternoon and see whether he's allergic or not. Oh dear. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. Look at the face. I just can't get over it staring at me. If you have enjoyed it, thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, see what number 9 brings to us, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.